cryptocurrency is a digital asset designed to work as a medium of exchange. An individual coin ownership and every transaction are stored in a ledger existing in the form of computerized database. These databases utilize strong cryptocurrency to secure transaction records, to control the creation of additional coins, and to verify the transfer of coin ownership. The idea of cryptocurrency first appeared in 1983. The American cryptographer David Chaum first conceived electronic money called e-cash and implemented through DigiCash.
The godfather of cryptocurrency.
The man who invented DigiCash.
David Chaum.
E-cash has an anonymous features that is untraceable by anyone, which is a prototype for other cryptocurrencies thereafter. It is the born of Bitcoin when the mass started to notice cryptocurrency. In 2009, Bitcoin was created by a pseudonymous developer, Satoshi Nakamoto. It used SHA-256, a cryptographic hash function, as its proof of work scheme. The underlying technology is called the blockchain. A blockchain is a continuous growing list of records, called a block. Blocks link to one another through a hash pointer to form a chain. By nature, it is resistant to modification because any change will cause hash code to vary, which will break the chain. The decentralized nature of Bitcoin, where ledgers in peer-to-peer networks verify each other, makes it even more secure. Nowadays, numerous cryptocurrencies are invented, and the total market cap is estimated to be 3.5 trillion. But we should pay more attention to government-issued cryptocurrencies. Even the centralized nature of this defeats the purpose of cryptocurrencies. With the support of the government, they can be way more influential than we thought. For example, in 2017, Bitcoin value rose over $1 billion as Japan and Russia moved to legitimize cryptocurrency. Supporters of cryptocurrencies argue that it has unparalleled transparency, which makes our financial activities more accountable. Also, it can make transactions instant and 24-hour available, especially for international transactions that require days to process. However, all benefits do not come without any drawback. The mechanism of cryptocurrency is hard to comprehend for non-tech savvies, which will prevent more people to use it. Furthermore, instead of using cryptocurrency like bitcoins to buy things as traditional currencies do, people hold it to wait for fluctuation to work in their favor. This may turn out to be speculations and reduce people's trust in cryptocurrency. At last, absolute transparency is controversial as well. Cryptocurrency is completely anonymous, which is great for those value their online privacy and are wary of handing over too much of their digital data. While the additional layer of security of that anonymity provides is an excellent benefit, it has also led to the inevitable adoption of the technology by the criminal fraternity. The black market and the dark web are big users of cryptocurrency, and criminals obviously value their anonymity as much as they value the ability to send a vast sum of money anywhere in the world with a few taps on their phone. For more law-abiding citizens, the benefits of anonymity are many. But perhaps the most enticing is the fact that there is no chance of identity theft, and that's of a major interest to anyone looking for more secure ways to remain online safely. Another drawback is that Bitcoin is using around 7 gigawatts of electricity, equal to 0.21% of Earth's supply. That is as much power as would be generated by 7 nuclear power plants at once. Over the course of a year, this equates to roughly the same power consumption as Switzerland. Alex Tavares from accountant PwC said that Bitcoin still appears to use far more energy per transaction than all the world's banks put together when considering the amount of energy used by data centers. As we are seeing right now, according to Business Insider, the market value of Bitcoin has hit a high of $337 billion, and it costs more than $70,000 per Bitcoin. The controversy over cryptocurrency is not stopping. It is another tulip fever in the 17th century or fundamental life-changing technology like computers. We cannot tell, maybe both. What we can do is to learn the knowledge of cryptocurrency. Do not be afraid or superstitious in it. Just look at it rationally.